Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Differential equations are actually super easy if you follow these steps. Let us solve this specific problem together and find the correct answer right now. Separate the variables by moving all y terms to one side and x terms to the other. This gives 1y dy equals negative 3 dx. Next, we integrate both sides of the equation. The integral of 1 over y is natural log of y, while the other side becomes negative 3x plus a constant c. Solve for y and use the initial condition y of 0 equals 7 to find that the constant c leads directly to option A. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and avoid rushing. Always trust the given information and check your steps.